If you've heard of the eBay NGC partnership, where you can send a coin for examination to NGC before you purchase it, and wondered if that was a good thing or a bad thing, then you need to watch this video. I have a subscriber who sent me an email with his results, and he's used it multiple times. So stay tuned, and I want to share that with you. My name is Daniel, and you are watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. I want to say a couple of things before I get started on sharing these results. I want to thank Tim, the subscriber, for sharing these with me. I get a lot of ideas for videos from the comments and emails that I get from other subscribers, and I appreciate that. I appreciate everybody subbing my channel. Two, I will be at the Milton, West Virginia show this Saturday. So over here on Facebook, I created an event for the Milton show. It's hosted by the Mountain State Numismatic Society. It's a really good show. You can get in there at 10 o'clock, closes down at about 3. There's maybe 20 to 30 dealers, a lot of raw coins and graded coins and silver, constitutional silver, and you can go through Morgans and different things like that. So it's a really good show, so I encourage you to come out and say hi. If anybody is interested in me bringing anything for them to buy from us, just send me a message or come on over to Facebook and like the post and actually comment on it. Okay, here is the email, and obviously he says he follows my YouTube channel, has subbed the YouTube channel, and he's new to coin collecting, and he wanted to give me the results on Morgan dollars that he'd been buying. And I posted that video in July, and I'm going to have that link of that video to explain this a little bit better. But the bottom line is if you're looking at a Morgan dollar or any coin on eBay and you want NGC to take a look at it, there's a little button that you press, and it'll take you through the process of submitting that auction to NGC, and they'll give you an opinion on the coin if they can see it well enough. A lot of people wondering, it costs you $5 to do that, and actually, just to clarify, that $5 will actually go towards like a voucher if you send the coin in for grading. So you actually get $5 off on the grading if you do this. So to me, it's not a lost cause. I think it's worth trying if you're actually serious about buying coins and don't want to get ripped off. Now, what I want to say is that 20 of the 26, he said 20 have come back as details, counterfeit, not graded, or ineligible. Okay. So they're going to give you their different opinions. So he's actually did 26 total here, and he shows the results, the details grade, and got a little chart. And he is a proponent of this. It's a very good thing. He said it saved him some money and kept him from buying counterfeit coins or clean coins. But there was one drawback. There was one thing that happened. And he bought this coin here, and NGC actually said that it should be in the extra fine to AU range, and they didn't say anything about it being cleaned. Now, I'm here to tell you, if I saw this coin, I would tell you it was clean right off the bat. But NGC is not perfect. What they said was it's likely genuine and likely high circulated extra fine to AU 58. So he bought the coin. He paid $995 for it. And they sent it back as very fine details. And he was very disappointed in this coin. Now, I understand that because he thought it was going to be a little bit higher. The good thing is that the eBay seller actually refunded his money for the coin. And we can go in and look at the listing, and we can see that it's key date coin. So, I give kudos to them because they did give the money back, but the problem is they did not put in an auction anywhere that the coin was possibly cleaned in any way. So I guess you could say they didn't think it was clean, NGC didn't think it was clean based on these images, but yet whenever they saw the coin in hand, they realized that it was cleaned. So it's not a perfect system, but at least it's worked out for him 90-some% of the time, and that's a really good thing. And I like to hear anybody else's results. If you've used it before, I haven't personally used it, but if you have, I'd like to hear about it, like to know about it. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.